Assalamu alaikum, this is Haseebullah Memon and welcome to HM Talks. Dear viewers, today I have come with a very good topic, that is career counseling. Yes, it's very important in one's life to understand what's the theme of this, we can say, the counseling method. There are a lot of steps one have to follow, one have to, we can say, focus on. I will definitely highlight these steps. But before highlighting these steps, I would tell you that when were a child, your parents were telling you that you would be a doctor, you would be an engineer, you would be a lecturer, or any professional in the future. This was a wrong and traditional method was followed by many of the graduates which are not satisfied in the life today. Because the right age, which is, we can say, researchers have told us that is 13 to 17. In this age, you are going to learn that what your abilities are. So, on the basis of your abilities, your skills, your knowledge, you are going to pursue the career, and that would definitely take you to the successful life. And you would be 100% successful. Yes, today I will highlight the 6 steps. On the basis of that, you would, I think, must be successful in future, inshallah. So, starting from the first, that is, we have to, we can say, plan our career. That is a career planning. Traditionally, we have to, we can say, assess our strengths, our abilities, our knowledge. On the basis of that, we are going to establish our goals, our objectives, and strategies to meet that particular career. This is how we are going to plan our career. The next step, that is, we have to identify our skills. That is very important. That what are your skills, what you are good at, and what are the super skills do you possess. Yes, these are the 2 main steps. Then we are coming to the third one, that is, you have to research your career. That is very much important. That you are going to research your career, that what others do in this career and what are the obstacles they are, we can say, the people are facing in their career, and what this career will take you. Definitely, on the basis of this research, you would be on the right track actually. Then the fourth step is what your major is and what are your careers. You have to link up this. When you are linking up this, means almost you are done. Number fifth step is you have to know what your value in the market. On the basis of that career you are going to pursue. So you have to understand your value as well. And lastly, the sixth step is you have to learn about yourself. Then you are on the right track actually, and you are going to pursue that career, and nobody can, we can say, tell you that you wouldn't be successful. Yes, you would be successful 100% because you are choosing the right career, and you would be happy, you would be delighted, you would be confident enough that you are doing the nature of the job or the career that you love it actually. That, we can say, engages that passion, and that engages, we can say, your everything in that career. Your strength, your abilities, your values. Definitely that would take you to reach your goals, the destiny you have defined for yourself. Again, I would also highlight the particular age that is, we can say, very important to understand and keep in mind, that is from 13 to 17. You must remember this age. When your child enters into this age, you have to focus that what abilities your child do have. You have to make him free to choose that career actually, and your child will be 100% successful, inshallah. Then I would also highlight this, you can say, the career moves around the 6 aspects: your education, your goal, your vision, your abilities, your strengths, and your value. I hope this video is very much beneficial for you to understand what the career counseling method is about. So thank you so much, and keep in touch, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.